Hi guys! Today I'll be showing you how to decorate your high ponytail with an elegant twist. It works on both long and medium length hair. To give this hairstyle a more glamorous touch, I'm going to add some of my Glam Time clip-in extensions to my high ponytail. So I create a tiny ponytail at the back of my head, attach several wefts of clip-in extensions around it, and then hide them with my own hair. I basically bring all the loose hair to the back and tie it with a hair tie. For today's hairstyle, I sectioned my own hair on top of my head, and I'm going to use it to create a twist. So I basically grab two thin strands from that section and start twisting them away from my face. As I go, I add some extra hair to each strand. So I twist and I add some hair. I twist and I add some hair. I direct my twist toward the base of my ponytail, and then I simply wrap it around it. I'm going to secure it in place using a bobby pin, just like I did before. I'm going to spend a moment tugging on my hair, just to give it a more relaxed and natural look. I also like to leave a couple of loose strands of hair in front. And that's what it looks like once I'm done. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and feel free to follow me on social media. Bye!